Alright, so hope you guys can see this. I'm in a, this is an 05 WRX Limited with pretty much bald summer tires. And we got just a dusting of snow. This just goes to show how bad these cars are in the snow with limited tread. So I'm gonna try my best to record this. I'm not sure where to hold it. Go with that. We're doing 40 miles an hour, but we're not moving. Back down again. See if we can spin out. Oh, yep, we're going. Oh boy. Oh god, we're probably stuck now. Just slid right over. Let's see. So yeah, just slid into the bushes over there. That thing just slides. It's like, it's unreal. We got this. Try doing it right here. Whew. Oh boy, we're probably gonna get stuck. It says we're doing 50 miles an hour. Try making up my hill right here. This is really steep, so oh boy, maybe not. Maybe not. Nope, 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 no. Not today. Oh boy, now we're sliding. Ah. Oh my god. We're literally in a tree. We're in a bush right now. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, I got stuck pretty bad over there just now. So yeah, I mean, as you can see, all-wheel drive doesn't mean everything. I mean, it's a blast, but yeah, that's where I ended up earlier, because you literally can't stop. I mean, so snow tires are definitely worth the money, because I have a Golf TDI front-wheel drive with some nice expensive Blizzak tires on it, and that thing stops on a dime and goes up any of these hills no problem. So there you have it. Yeah, these tires, these are just temporary, but as you can see, there's not much tread at all on them. So that was enough abuse on the WRX today. So yeah, hopefully it's a cool little video. So thanks, like and subscribe.